Tariq, the main mastermind of August 21 grenade attack, Prime Minister. Hearing on death reference of August 21 grenade attack case within 2 months. Tariq's conviction orchestrated incident of grenade attack a staged drama, claims FOCO. Those were the headlines. This is ATN News. Good evening, viewers. I'm Shazan Ehsan with English Bulletin. Prime Minister and Awami League President Sheikh Hasina has alleged that acting chairman of BNP Tariq Rahman is the main mastermind of the August 21 grenade attack. The Prime Minister made the comment while addressing a rally to commemorate the grenade attack incident of 2004. Sheikh Abdul Salam has more.
The brutality of 19 years ago was another terrible day for the post-75 Awami League. On that day, 24 leaders and activists of the party lost their lives in an indiscriminate grenade attack. Thousands of people are still passing through miserable days with splinters of grenades in their bodies. The head of the government on Monday morning paid tribute through placing wreaths at the altar in front of the Awami League Central Office on Bangabandhu Avenue in the capital, built in the memory of those who died on August 21st. Sheikh Hasina also paid tributes as the party president. Later addressing a discussion organized to commemorate the August 21st grenade attack, the Awami League president recalled the terrible experience.
Khaleda Zia was the Prime Minister during the time. What role she had played? That is the question. Why she obstructed police? Why she did take no initiative to preserve the crew? What does it prove? There is no doubt Khaleda Zia and Tariq Rahman are involved in the attack, and it was found in the investigation.
The Awami League president made an allegation that the then BNP chief Khaleda Zia and her son Tariq Rahman had led the arson violence in 2013, 14 and later.
They have murdered hundreds of Awami League leaders and activists. They are killers. They had declared war against the people.
Sheikh Hasina called for a speedy implementation of the verdict of those responsible, saying Tariq Rahman, the main mastermind, now resides in London.
Our leaders and activists, including Ivy Rahman, were killed. The trial of the case has been completed and the verdict has also been pronounced. The verdict should be implemented quickly.
At the same time, the Awami League president asked the party leaders and activists to vow so that the murderers of August 21st can no longer play with the fate of the people. Sheikh Salam, desk report, ATN News.
24 people were killed through the dastardly grenade attack on Awami League rally. Hundreds of people were also injured in the most horrifying terrorist attack. Eliminating top leadership of Awami League, including Sheikh Hasina, was the main reason of the grenade attack. Noman Mahmudur Rahman brings you more.
The leaders and activists present at this rally on August 21 in capital's Bangabandhu Avenue never imagined in their wildest dream that some well-trained, cold-blooded murderers have already entered their gathering with grenade in their hands. Sheikh Hasina was the prime target. It was learned from the confessional statement of the accused persons given before the court and charge sheet of the case. Two members of Harkatul Jihad, Asanullah Kajol and Abu Jandal, had made recce of the rally venue of Bangabandhu Avenue on August 20, a day before the dastardly grenade attack. The masterminds of the attack gathered at militant Mufti Hannan's Merul Badda residence within 10 a.m. on August 21. After discussing the whole plan of the attack, the 12 militants were given 15 Arjus grenades. The 12 killers gathered in this mosque beside Gulab Shah shrine before Asr prayer on August 21. Later, they got mingled with the Awami League processions coming from different parts of the country. Killer Jandal was the one who threw the first grenade around 5:30 p.m. soon after Sheikh Hasina finished her speech. Later, other militants also started throwing grenades. A total of 11 grenades were thrown on the rally. The leaders and activists of Awami League present on the dais saved Sheikh Hasina by creating human shield. At the moment Sheikh Hasina was getting into her car, the assailants opened fire. Although she escaped unhurt, her bodyguard Mahbub got killed. With sheer spate of luck, Sheikh Hasina survived on the fateful day. However, grenades thrown by the killers had taken away 24 lives. Several hundred became disabled for the whole life. Noman Mahmudur Rahman, Desk Report, ATN News.
Hearing on the death reference of August 21 grenade attack case will be finished within next 2 months. Attorney General A.M. Aminuddin has made such optimism. Death reference and appeal hearing of the death row convicts of the August 21 grenade attack case began before the special bench of Justice Shahidul Karim and Justice Mustafizur Rahman on December 5, 2022. The state prosecutor said although progress has been made on the matter, the hearing has now remained suspended as one of the justices of the bench has fallen sick. 16 convicts of the 2 cases, including Tariq Rahman, Abdul Salam Pintu's brother, militant leader Maulana Tajuddin, former State Minister Qazi Shah Mufazzal Hussain Kaikobad, are now at large. Meanwhile, BNP Secretary General Mirza Fakhrul Islam Alamgir has said the August 21 grenade attack was a staged drama. BNP leaders, including Tariq Rahman, were sentenced, making them involved with it in a planned way. He made the comment while talking to reporters at Noaportal Central Office of the party after a meeting marking its 45th founding anniversary. Mirza Fakhrul also said Awami League is plotting to do something terrible so that the opposition party can be left out of the election and come back to power. He said BNP's battle along with people to bring back democracy has started, commenting that after the independence, the most political crisis is going on. Mirza Fakhrul said the state machinery is being used to stay in power. More than 9 lakh polling officers will be appointed in the 12th parliamentary polls. Election Commissioner Secretary Jahangir Alam said this after a meeting on Monday. He also said the training of polling officers will start in the first week next month. EC Secretary Jahangir said regarding the privileges of Chief Election Commissioner and other election commissioners, the Ordinance of 1983 will be converted into Bengali and sent to the Ministry of Law. It will be sent to the Parliament after vetting. In the Ordinance, everything remains the same as it was before. Regarding the amendment in the election management guidelines, he said the issue of submitting nomination papers online has been included. If Sheikh Hasina loses January election, Bangladesh could face prolonged political and economic instability. Indian influential daily The Hindu has the observation in an analytical report. The report of Pranay Sharma said it will be a matter of concern for India if Sheikh Hasina loses power. It also said departure of Awami League from power would not only worry India, but also raise concerns about the regional unrest and violence in South Asia. The report also said due to the stance of USA centering Bangladesh's next polls, the opposition parties have been benefited. The USA talks on democracy and human rights situations in various countries. However, they do not bother if they bear strategic relations with any other country. The report also mentioned it is essential to know the cause why USA is so concerned regarding Bangladesh. Now, a short break. We'll be back soon with Regent boss Shahed jailed for 3 years in ACC case over illegal wealth. Separate road crashes in 3 districts leave 7 dead. You're watching ATN News. This is news with English Bulletin. A Dhaka court has sentenced Region Group Chairman Mohammad Shahid alias Shahid Kareem to 3 years of rigorous imprisonment in a graft case. The Anti-Corruption Commission ACC filed the case for amassing illegal wealth. The court also fined Shahid Taka 1 lakh and ordered to submit the money to the government treasury within 60 days. Judge Pradeep Kumar Roy of Dhaka Special Judge Court 7 handed down the verdict on Monday morning in presence of the convict. On March 1 in 2021, the ACC filed the case for amassing illegal wealth of Taka 1.69 crore against Shahid. The National Safe Food Authority has conducted mobile court at the kitchen market of Mohammadpur Krishi Market on Monday. During the operation on Monday morning, the mobile court seized about 20 kilograms of shrimp as they found jelly. The authority warned meat sellers after finding frozen meat of previous day. The mobile court also checked whether the manufacture and expiry dates of each product in the grocery store are correct. At least 7 people were killed and 6 others injured in separate road accidents in Braunbaria, Chuadanga and Joypurhat. In Braunbaria, a child and 3 people have been killed after a covered van rammed into an auto rickshaw in Ashuganj. 2 others, including the auto rickshaw driver, were injured in the accident. The incident took place in the Sohagpur bus stand area of Dhaka-Sylhet highway. In Chuadanga, 2 persons were killed and 6 others injured in a collision between a van and an easy bike. The incident took place in Hadboalia area of Alumdanga Upazila at 8 a.m. on Monday. All of the deceased are laborers. Meanwhile, a van puller died as passenger's bus hit him near Shimultoli area in Joypurhat at around 12 p.m. Now news from around the world. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky has welcomed the historic decision by the Netherlands and Denmark to provide US-made F-16 fighter jets for his country to counter Russia's invasion. Washington announced its approval of the F-16 transfers on Friday. The decision is absolutely historic, powerful and inspiring for us, Zelensky said alongside Dutch Prime Minister Mark Rutte during a visit to the Eindhoven Air Base in the Netherlands on Sunday. The Dutch Prime Minister said the number of X-16 to Kiev would be finalized after talks with allies. Later, Zelensky traveled to Denmark's Skrydstrup airspace and was greeted by Prime Minister Mette Frederiksen. Tropical storm Hillary has reached the U.S. state of California after bringing fierce winds and flooding to Mexico's Pacific coast. It lashed Mexico's Baja California peninsula with winds of 70 miles per hour. 1 man died there trying to cross a stream in his car. A number of houses are now submerged in the town of Santa Rosalia. Schools have been kept closed in Los Angeles and San Diego. Hundreds of flights got cancelled. Hillary is set to weaken as it moves north, but it is already California's first tropical storm in 84 years.
Potentially an unprecedented extreme weather event for Los Angeles, Southern California, and stay away.
Before ending the bulletin, the top stories once again. Tariq, the main mastermind of August 21 grenade attack, Prime Minister. Hearing on death reference of August 21 grenade attack case within 2 months. Tariq's conviction orchestrated incident of grenade attack a staged drama, claims Pokro. Regent boss Shahid jailed for 3 years in ACC case over illegal wealth. And separate road crashes in 3 districts leave 7 dead. That's all from the newsroom for the moment. Thank you for being with us.